new pottery classes had opened in the neighborhood, and posters of the classes were everywhere.
Look, Chinky, the poster for new pottery class is here too. You are right, Gattu. I think these classes are going to be a lot of fun. We'll also ask Mummy to send us here to do pottery. Then we can make a lot of beautiful pottery vases, mugs, plates and cups in the pottery class. Come on, Gattu. Let's go home and tell Mom and let us take this poster too. Okay.
Gattu Chinky take out the poster and quickly reach home. But they see that secretary uncle was already sitting over there with Papa and Mummy. Hey Gattu Chinky, come.
Hello, Uncle.
Gattu Chinky, those new pottery classes that have opened in the neighborhood, there's a pottery workshop on Saturday. And Secretary Uncle is going there with his entire family.
Yes, and that day is Sunday too. So I'm thinking let's go to the pottery workshop too. How will it be? Hearing this, Gattu and Chinky become very happy.
Hey, Papa, look at this. We also came here to ask you for this pottery class.
What? Oh wow! Then along with Secretary Uncle's family, we all will go to the pottery workshop.
Yay!
On Sunday morning, many people from the neighborhood arrive at the pottery workshop. This includes Secretary Uncle's family, Gattu Chinky, Mummy Papa, and Monty's family. Seeing this, Chinky says,
Gattu, look there. Monty. That means problem. You are right, Chinky. We have to remain extra vigilant. Okay.
Just then Mr. Iyer, accompanied by a lady, enters the classroom. A pottery wheel and other supplies were placed in front of everyone. Hello everyone. I am your pottery teacher, Mr. Iyer, and this is my assistant, Shreya. Now together we all will start making our own pottery work on this beautiful pottery wheel respectively. And yes, remember, the one with the best pottery at the end will also win the Best Potter Award. Everyone is very happy to hear this.
Then I'll get the Best Potter Award. Everyone just watch out.
But Monty says from behind.
It seems that you have forgotten, Gattu. I am here too. You'll never get the award if I am here.
Yes, Monty. You are right. You'll get the award. But not for Best Potter, but for Worst Potter. Exactly, Chinky, you're right.
Shh! Now stop talking everyone and pay attention over here. I will tell you just one time how to do this. Mr. Iyer was a little strict, so everyone looks at him attentively. Look, you have to shape it like this with gentle hands, very smoothly. Patiently. Otherwise, your art piece might get ruined. When you pick it up, you will place it in another... Everyone was listening to Sir very attentively.
Wow, this is very interesting. Yes, Gattu. And it doesn't seem so difficult, right?
Come on. Everyone, start now. My assistant Shreya and I will help and assist you all. As soon as Mr. Iyer says this, everyone sitting there starts creating their pottery artwork respectively.
Chinky, what shape are you giving to your mug?
Didi, I want to give a star shape.
Oh wow! But be careful when you're picking it up because after giving some different shapes, you often ruin it while picking it up. So be very gentle. And Gattu, you too. Your heart-shaped mug will look really beautiful.
Yes, okay, Didi.
On the other side, Secretary Uncle was making a bowl with a rather strange shape. When Mr. Iyer asks him, Hey, Secretary sir, what shape is this? Can't understand anything.
Yes, that actually, sir, I'm making a flower-shaped mug.
What? Flower? But this mug looks a bit like the shape of a frog. Hearing Mr. Iyer's words, everyone sitting there starts laughing. Sir is right.
Oh, hey, just wait and see when it gets ready. The cup will look so beautiful with a pink flower.
Everyone gets back to work again. In a little while, everybody's work is complete. But now it was time to pick up their pottery work and put it in another container. And it wasn't as easy as it was looking.
Oh no, how did this happen? It's broken.
It's okay, Gattu beta. I told you, right? You will have to do it very gently. Just put it back on the pottery wheel like this and put it back together nicely. Just like that. Yes, there you go. It's done.
Thank God. Thank you, Didi. I thought all my hard work was in vain. You are right, Gattu. Now I'll be very careful while picking up my pottery work.
Yes, Chinky, very slowly. Otherwise, it might break.
Gattu, this is done. Now we have to put our mugs into this kiln. Then it will all be done and ready. Yes, Chunky, today was amazing. Monty didn't mess anything up. How could he? Look at him. His mummy is with him today.
Gattu Chinky look behind and they see that Monty is sitting quietly like a quiet child with his strict mother. Seeing him like this, Gattu Chinky laugh heartily.
Monty, today you have become a really good boy. Very good, Monty. Whether you get the Best Potter Award today or not, I will definitely give you the Good Boy Award.
After a little wait, everyone's mugs and bowls were ready. Mr. Iyer gave everyone their pottery work back. Sir, I am going to say that you paint your mug green like the frog. Then it will look like a real frog. Everyone starts laughing again at Sir's words. And Secretary Uncle actually paints his mug green. And even adds eyes to it. Everyone laughs heartily seeing this. Everyone paints their mugs. And after a while, everyone's art pieces are ready. Everyone says together,
Done!
Very nice. You all made some great pottery work. And I am going to give this certificate for Best Potter. Everyone was listening excitedly. To all of you. Everyone is shocked to hear Mr. Iyer's words. Yes, you all heard it right. All of you did a great job. That's why I will give you all